Today, I am reviewing AEROZY Windowless Portable Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been searching for a cooling solution that's simple, portable, and doesn't require complicated installation, then the AEROZY Windowless Portable Air Conditioner might just be what you need. Unlike traditional air conditioners that demand a window exhaust or permanent setup, this unit is designed for ultimate convenience. It's freestanding, lightweight, and ready to use right out of the box. That makes it perfect for bedrooms, home offices, dorm rooms, or any indoor space where you want cooling relief without the hassle of drilling holes or blocking your windows. What really stands out about the AEROZY TS05 is its tall, slim design. At just about 45 inches in height, it delivers excellent airflow while still being compact enough to fit neatly into tight spaces. You can easily place it in the corner of your room, next to your bed, or even beside your desk without it taking up too much space. Its sleek white finish also blends seamlessly with almost any decor, making it not only practical, but also aesthetically pleasing. Performance-wise, this cooler offers multiple options to fit your comfort. You can choose between 3 fan speeds and 4 different modes: cool, eco, natural, and sleep. This flexibility allows you to adjust the airflow exactly how you like it. If you want a strong cooling breeze during the hottest part of the day, the high setting with cooling mode is perfect. If you prefer a gentle, natural wind effect while working or relaxing, the natural mode provides just the right touch. And when it's time to rest, the sleep mode ensures quieter operation so you can stay comfortable without being disturbed by noise. The cooling effectiveness is enhanced by its large 1.06-gallon water tank. Unlike smaller portable coolers that constantly need to be refilled, this one is designed for extended use. You can enjoy hours of uninterrupted cooling, whether it's throughout the workday or overnight while you sleep. For an extra boost of cold air, AEROZY includes 4 reusable ice packs that you can place in the tank. This adds a refreshing chill that feels almost like air conditioning, especially useful during extremely hot days or in dry climates. Another great feature is the convenience factor. The digital display makes it simple to check and adjust settings, and the included remote control allows you to operate the cooler from across the room. That means no more getting up in the middle of the night to change the fan speed or turn the unit off. You can do it all with the press of a button. The 12-hour timer is also a thoughtful addition, giving you the option to schedule it to turn off automatically, saving energy while ensuring comfort. In terms of noise, this unit is surprisingly quiet, especially in eco and sleep modes. Many people worry that portable cooling units will be too loud, but AEROZY designed this model with bedroom use in mind. You can place it beside your bed and still get restful sleep without being disturbed by a constant hum. Durability and build quality are also impressive for its price range. The included accessories, such as the remote and ice packs, are solid and reliable, and the cooler itself feels sturdy, without being bulky. Plus, with AEROZY offering a 1-year warranty, you get peace of mind knowing you're covered if anything unexpected happens. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with many reviewers praising its effectiveness, portability, and value for money. People particularly love the fact that it doesn't require a window or vent, which makes it so much more versatile than traditional portable air conditioners. Overall, the AEROZY TS05 Windowless Portable Air Conditioner is a fantastic solution for anyone who wants flexible, efficient, and easy cooling without the complexity of installation. It's especially well-suited for bedrooms, apartments, offices, or any space where you can't or don't want to install a window unit. With its tall, space-saving design, multiple cooling modes, large water tank, included ice packs, quiet operation, and remote control convenience, it offers incredible value. If you're tired of struggling with the summer heat and want a simple, reliable way to stay comfortable, this portable evaporative cooler is definitely worth considering. It's practical, efficient, and stylish, and with its strong performance, it can easily become your go-to cooling solution all season long.